Hey everyone, I'm back with another must-have product that you're definitely going to love. Let's dive right in. First off, can we talk about how gorgeous this thing is? It's sleek, modern, and has that high-end look. And the best part? The price. Seriously, I cannot believe how affordable it is for the quality you're getting. It's also insanely versatile. Whether you need it for work, home, or as a gift, it checks all the boxes. Check the description for all the details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out. See you in the next one.